Good morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing out there today? It's Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors. So we are here in Buena Park, and we are going to pull up the carpet and sand, match the color, stain the floor, refinish it, make it look brand new. So let me turn this around, show you guys what we've got going on. But like most houses built before 1960, they have pretty typical that they have wood floors throughout the house in every area except the wet area. So the wet areas being the kitchen, the bathroom, stuff like that. What I got here, go ahead and show you what we got here. So that's the color we're gonna match. See, there's carpet here. So I don't know what the floor looks like yet, but as soon as we pull up the carpet, we'll get a better idea. But this color is kind of looks like a golden brown, maybe an early American. But we're going to get all this lifted, prep the floor. Okay, so like I said, we're going to lift the carpet. We're going to pull out all the staples, all the nails, all the tack strips, everything that's in there, and get it ready to sand. And pretty much that's the goal today. Pull up the carpet, get everything sanded at least with the 36, and hopefully tomorrow we could hit it with the 60, the 100, and stain, and hopefully do the last couple coats by Friday. So I'll do a video update in a couple hours, and we'll see where we're at. Everybody have a good day.